Welcome to the future of mobile technology, the OnePlus 12R in sleek iron grey. This device is not just fast, it's built to stay smooth for years with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform and up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM. The dual cryo velocity VC cooling system ensures optimal performance, while the TUV SUD 48-month fluency rating guarantees long-lasting fluidity. Experience the pristine display with Aqua Touch on a super bright one. 5K LTPO Pro XDR display featuring Dolby Vision and a DisplayMate A+ rating. With peak brightness of 4500 nits, your viewing experience is unparalleled even with wet hands. Capture life's moments with computational photography that's incomparable. The RAW HDR algorithm, 50MP Sony IMX890 camera, and ultra-wide 112 degrees FOV Sony IMX355 camera deliver ultra-clear image quality. With our longest-lasting battery ever, the 5500 mAh battery paired with 100W SuperVOOC and advanced battery health engine, your power needs are covered. Enjoy smoother and more stable connectivity with Wi-Fi 7, enhanced Wi-Fi, lower gaming latency, and reduced network recovery time. The future is here with OnePlus 12R